Welcome everyone, Paul Cusson here from Portland Boat Works in Portland, Connecticut on the eastern shore of the Connecticut River. We have easy access to both Connecticut River and Long Island Sound, and we're going to go over some of the features and benefits we offer at the facility here for you. First and most important is our staff. They're all lifelong professionals in the marine industry. They've had their whole careers here. Most of them have been here for multiple decades, and they work together like a well-oiled machine. Our specialty here in Portland is our yacht maintenance and service on 30 to 60 foot yachts. We have indoor storage, hauling capabilities up to 60 tons. So in here is our machine shop where we can fabricate custom tools, custom parts for your vessel. We have Bridgeport lathe, CNC machine, and access to any other kind of welding and custom work for your yacht. This is our carpentry shop where we do custom woodwork and canvas repair and fabrication. As an example of what we can do for you, we cut the bow off a 20-foot boat here, painted the hull, fabricated and installed a new countertop, and made this into a boat show sales desk. These are some of our indoor winter storage buildings. We have over 100,000 square feet under roof here to protect your boat inside during the winter months. This is another one of our climate control work bays where we do mechanical services and refits, anything from engines, transmissions, electronics, and anything you need for your boat we can handle in our work bays. What we're doing here is we had a new prop shaft made, strut repair and prop recondition for a Tierra yacht that hit a log in the river. The best way to ensure you get a good long season on the water next year is to do your annual maintenance in the fall. Let us go through an evaluation form with your boat, find any outstanding issues you may have. It gives us time to get parts and get any repairs made and ensure for a smooth boating season. So we offer hauling, storage, winterization, full winterization protection services for your boat, all your systems. Basically anything you need, we can handle here for you at Portland Boat Works.